Hello, this is Amy again. Today, I want to show you how to make my simple recipe for egg rolls. In the Philippines, we call it lumpia, or you can call it lumpi. So here are my ingredients. Today I am going to make chicken with vegetable egg rolls or lumpi. So I am going to use 2 pounds of ground chicken, and I use string beans. I already pre-diced my string beans, and this is like a pound. And I'm going to use shredded carrots. This is pre-shredded, and I used 3 medium-sized carrots. And corn. I want to use fresh corn because it's always like the fresh corn has a good flavor, sweet. So, you know, when you incorporate these ingredients with a little crunch of corn is a little bit exciting. So, corn. And I'm going to add more crunch on my egg rolls, and I use water chestnuts. So I use it from the can, so I'm gonna drain it later. And I use 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to chop it later. In this recipe, you can make 30 pieces of egg rolls as a main course, or you can make 50 small egg rolls if you want to use it as an hors d'oeuvres for a party. So I use spring rolls shells, and you can buy this anywhere. You can go to the Asian store and you can find the egg roll wrappers. So I have in each pack you can find 50 or 25 pieces. So just go to any Asian store and you can find your egg roll wrappers. So I am going to start to prepare my ingredients. So I already pre-diced my green beans, and I'm gonna show you how to dice it. So I left few so I can show you. So I just dice it really thin, and I'm gonna cut my fresh corn. This will add more excitement on our egg rolls. You know, you don't want to eat like a boring egg rolls like cabbage and stuff. So I want to add exciting ingredients on my egg rolls. Okay. So I am going to set this aside, and I am going to crush my cloves of garlic. So I used 3. Okay. Smells so good. The smell of the garlic is so powerful, and it's so good. It will give good flavor on my egg rolls. Okay, so I'm all set preparing all my ingredients for my egg rolls, lumpi or lumpia. So this is my 2 pounds of ground chicken breast, 3 cloves of garlic crushed. I have 1 fresh corn, 3 medium size of carrots shredded, 1 small can of water chestnuts chopped, and 2 pounds of string beans that is diced. And I'm ready to saute it. Now my skillet is hot. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to slightly brown my garlic. Make sure you don't burn your garlic, just slightly brown. Now I will add my chicken. And now you can add 2 Knorr cubes to give flavor. So make sure you spread all your chicken so they're not clumpy. I can smell the garlic and the Knorr cubes. It's giving good flavor to the chicken. Now I want to add my shredded green beans and corn. And now ready for water chestnuts. And carrots. And I want to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to give more flavor. Look at that. It's so colorful and it's so flavorful. I can smell the garlic and the pepper. So I want to turn this off because I don't want my vegetable to be overcooked. I want it like when you bite your egg rolls, you can feel the crunch and the vegetable are still defined, not saggy. So this is ready to go. I'm gonna wrap this with my egg roll wrapper or lumpia wrapper. Okay, so it's time for me to show you how to wrap and fill your egg rolls or lumpia or lumpi. So this is my lumpia wrapper. I have about like 25 pieces. So you gently fill it off. So make sure you don't break your wrapper, and you position it like this, and you fill it with your totally cooled filling. So after I sauteed it, I cooled it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So it's cool because you don't want to fill your wrapper with a hot filling because it's gonna break. So it's totally cooled, and you scoop around 2 tablespoons and you spread it on your wrapper and you fold it like this, okay, and roll it another fold and fold on the sides and then roll it, and you seal it with egg wash, 1 egg, and you brush it so when you fry it, it won't open. So now I have an egg roll, and then I will pull another one gently and position like this, and scoop another 2 tablespoons of filling and spread it at the center of your wrapper, and you can adjust it, that depends. So spread it and then fold, and then the sides, and then the sides, and then roll it like this and seal it with your egg wash and roll it. I have a perfect egg roll. Then I'm going to fry this and I'll show you how. So my oil is really hot and I'm going to start deep frying my egg rolls. You don't touch it while you're frying so it won't break. And now you can flip it. You can use your deep fryer, but because I'm just gonna fry 4 pieces, so I just use my pan, my frying pan, and look, it's beautiful. It's just, you fry it for a few minutes, maybe 2, and it's ready. Okay, so my beautiful egg rolls, lumpia or lumpi, are ready to be transferred on my drain. Make sure you drain the oil really good. Beautiful. Look at that. The amalicious chicken and vegetable egg rolls, lumpi or lumpia, are ready. I'm serving it with 2 dippings. First is sweet chili sauce, and second is crushed fresh garlic with red wine vinegar and a dash of salt and a dash of ground pepper. Enjoy!